Hey guys, it's Ben with Master Spot Parts here. Today we're going to show you a video on how to install the black wraparound pillow, part number X540704. This is how you're going to get the pillow. It's going to have two cushions on it to protect the pins. It gets installed over to the two pins there. A lot of questions that we get is in regards to the pillow not fitting properly. What we have found is that it's easier to install the pillow from the inside. So really peel back the one, install one side, hit it in real good. Over here, sometimes you have to pull the center of the pillow out to get it to go into the pin lineup, and then just hit it in. This one went pretty smoothly, and I know that they all don't go that way, but it's just a matter of pulling it out and doing it from the inside. If you have any questions, give us a call, 855-308-2149. Happy hot tubbing.